If you enjoy wild camping and getting closer to nature, then a good camping tarp is an essential bit of kit. With the right skills, there is no end to the different ways in which you can create a tarp shelter. The best camping tarps are lightweight, tough, and have multiple secure eyelets to fasten them down with. Whether you use a tent to sleep in or not, a tarp is always a good thing to keep in your backpack on camping trips. So in this video we will discuss 5 best camping tarps. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. If you are tired of those dull color tarps and need something exciting for your camp trip, then the Trademark supplies store has a colorful range of tarps. This one is the blue color in 8x10 size, however, 4 other shades are also available. One of the great features of this product is that this camping tarp does not produce crinkling sounds like other tarps. It can be used for camping as a tent or even as a pool cover when not in use. Like most tarps, this one is also waterproof. It also features additional plastic covering around the corners of grommets to endure the pressure at these points during camping when you make a canopy or a tent out of it. Pros. Available in eye-catching colors. Offers strong waterproofing. Available in 19 different sizes. Easy to fold and carry. Cons. The grommets are positioned poorly. Number 2. For those looking for a tarp for lightweight purposes on a camp trip, like covering the ground under another tent, this is one of the best tarps for that purpose. This tarp has a ripstop fabric with polyethylene lamination on both sides, perfect for protecting your tent from ground moisture. However, it can also be used to make a tent or canopy as it has all the essential features needed for that. The tarp is tear-resistant and has reinforced corners to withstand the pressure to make a shelter for you. Moreover, this tarp also has rust-proof grommets, which is an essential feature for ground camping tarps. This tarp is available in green color and 7.5 to 9.5 inches size, perfect for a traditional tent. However, one other size is also available. Pros: perfect for ground cover under a tent. Polyethylene lamination on both sides. Evenly placed rust-proof grommets. Reinforced corners and tear-resistant. Cons. Not suitable for heavy-duty functioning. Number 3. If you are looking for a tarp that does all the functions required for camping and is easy to carry, it would be helpful to check this tarp out. It's a tarp designed explicitly for transporting. This one is 8x10 feet, but other sizes are also available. Despite the thickness of 5 mils, this tarp offers durability. Maybe that is because of the rope-reinforced edges and double-reinforced corners. Moreover, an extra layer of polythene is also laminated on both sides for additional protection. It is entirely waterproof and tear-resistant, so you can easily use this tarp as a tent or base for your other tents. There are rust-resistant grommets at every 3 to 4 feet for easy installation. Pros: light in weight. Thin yet durable. Lamination of ripstop polyethylene. Extra reinforcing on edges and corners. Cons. This tarp is not heavy-duty. Number 4. For those looking for a complete camping tarp that can perform versatile functions during their camp, it would be helpful to check this one out. This camping tarp is made from polyester and is available in 10x10 feet sizes. This one is in a fantastic coffee color, however, other sizes and colors are also available. You can easily fold this tarp into a bag that comes with the package and use it for camping, hiking, or fishing. The exact material used to make this tarp is 210T polyester covered with PU 3000 waterproofing layer. Tarp itself is tape seamed at the center so it won't easily fall during heavy rain. You can also use this tarp as ground cover to sit on and use as a picnic mat. Overall, this is the best because the package includes 6 stakes, 6 ropes, and a bag, everything you need for a perfect camp. Pros: lightweight and portable. Easy to set up. Versatile uses for any adventure. Durable material and strong waterproofing. Cons. The tarp has a central seam. Number 5. For those looking for a tarp that can be useful for them even other than camping, this is one of the multifunctional tarps. This tarp is 10 mils thick and 10 by 12 feet in size. However, other sizes are also available. There are rust-proof metal grommets, installed every 18 inches. The best feature about this tarp is the additional protection that is done around the tarp. For instance, there is double lamination all over the tarp. The edges are also reinforced with plastic. Moreover, the hems are also rope reinforced. All these characteristics make this tarp durable and great for camping purposes. The color of this tarp is also silver, which is great for reflecting sunlight. Pros: water and UV resistant. Reinforced hems and edges. A tear-proof and double lamination. Rust-proof metal grommets. Cons. The size may differ a few inches. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.